y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shug. So yes, if you read that title, we are, I know you said, I know you read it, but yes, 36 inches. Yes, so we gonna get into this install. So yes, we're gonna get into this install. So if you want to learn how to install your hair like this, and you want to hear the review on this hair, I need you to keep on watching this video. And while you at it, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, because we are about to get into this. You guys like it? But yes, y'all, let's get into this video. So now let's get started. So first thing first is I'm going to melt my cap. And make sure you grease your scalp before you start doing a wave. So right here, I went and I put Ghost Balm around the edges of my cap. That's actually how I mold down my cap. I learned that from Erica J, because I don't like using the got to be spray due to the fact that it contains so much alcohol that it dry out my hairline. But actually here, I actually removed this cap after I blow dry it due to the fact that I put too much lace glue for my liking to mold on my cap. You honestly don't need a lot. You just need like a tad bit, because it's not like you're putting your wig on right now. You're just molding down your cap. Actually went ahead and I mold my cap off camera, because the first one I put on I ain't like, so I had to redo it over. So that's what I just did. Okay, now I got my makeup, and I just put it on this brush and I just brush it down. So right here, I finished putting the makeup on my cap. So right now I am cutting off extra pieces of my cap that I don't want there, just so I could get more of a mauve look. Actually right here, I am going on a rant talking about how I met my boyfriend. I was basically like trying to give a story time, but I wasn't explaining what I was doing with my wig, even though this is a hair tutorial. So honestly, what I was doing with my hair at this time, I was putting the glue on my cap and right above the cap. So I actually do like 3 layers of Ghost Balm, and I let it dry each layer before I actually put my wig on top. So don't mind me in the video if you see me talking. I was just going on a rant. That's what I do. I go on a rant. You guys gonna get used to it. I think I'm nervous. I would say relationships are overrated, but I'll be lying. I just talk my shit. But yeah, 36-inch shawty. Yeah, y'all ready? Is y'all ready? Before I put on my wig, I usually spray the hairline with some got to be spray, and I brush it back. So right here, I am placing my wig on my head. I'm not putting it on the glue yet. I'm just measuring how far up and back I want to place my lace, and I'm clipping it so my hair and my flyaways will not get in the way. Here I cut my lace in 3 parts so it'll be easier to pull down and place it on the glue in the exact spot where I want it. I took my clips out to brush back my hair so my flyaways wouldn't get in the way, and I clip it back. Now I am cutting the left side off. I cut it piece by piece, not all together, just so I know it's exactly where I want it. And now I am pushing it down with my edge comb just so it's sticking. I don't usually like pushing down my lace with my fingers because I feel like it kind of make it look gumpy and real mushy, and I feel like the glue sink through the lace. Now I am doing the middle. I kind of go into a zigzag and not straight across because nobody hairline is straight across. And next I did the other side. I am cutting around my ear because I want my ear to be comfortable, and I am actually pushing it down with my rat teeth comb at the same time. So right here, I'm actually putting foundation around my hairline because it is kind of lighter than what I wanted. So I'm just putting foundation around my edges, around my hairline to make it look more natural and melt into my skin. So next, I put an elastic band and I tie the elastic band, and I'll let that sit for like a good 5 to 10 minutes. For a good 5 to 10 minutes. So after the 5 to 10 minutes, I went and got my hot comb off the stove. Don't come for me because I still have a stove hot comb. But I am just hot combing my hair, mostly my roots, like close to the front of my hair, just so it could be really, really flat. You know, you want it to be flat. You want your hair to get that melt look. You just want it to look like it's coming out the scalp. Somewhat semi-melted. What my other comb? A little hard. But I tell you, we know what's the middle of my hair for real. So, oh, that's the thing I gotta do. I gotta pluck. Pluck. Like, I know y'all see me over here trying to avoid plucking. I'm trying to avoid it. It's kind of different for me. It's real different. It's different because I like a texture. So right now I am attempting to do my baby hair. The way I do my baby hair, I actually like to put the mousse and I go in with it with a rat tail comb, and then I try to use my edges toothbrush. As you guys can see, I was struggling because I was in a different environment. Usually I do my hair in my bathroom, and I was sitting at my desk trying to record. So we was having some technical difficulties with these edges because, baby, when I tell you, they did not want to swoop, they did not want to form, and they was not cut in the way I wanted it to. So I was like, after a while, I just got annoyed, and I was like, you know what? Let me get up and go to my bathroom and fix my hair if I want this to turn out right, because I was struggling. Whew. It never happened. And I'm back. I had to go and do my edges with my baby hair off camera because I know y'all see me struggling. So, bring some mousse up top. Just gonna. This is more so for my flyaways. And then I made my hot comb. I just took it off the stove, so. And it might have to go back on. It's not that hot. What I do for my wigs in the back, I will sew down my cap because I actually made the wig myself. So I'll sew down my cap to my hair because I don't get the elastic band. I don't sew the elastic band on, and I don't use a comb. And you see, did my baby hair off camera because I ain't gonna lie, I was struggling when I was doing it on the camera. So right now we're just like, and we are done. We are done. We are done. Let me show you. I swear to God. All in all, like, I like it. It's nice, long. It's long all the way to the ends with the wet. I only fit 2 bundles and 1 frontal on the wig cap. So that's my dog. Just made me laugh out the room. So, cool. What your Miami said, spend a couple bands on my bundles. Y'all gonna notice I'm always going to interpret a city girl lyric, like I'm such a city girl at heart. So don't mind me. Don't be like, what the fuck, when I like doze off and you hear me saying city girl lyrics or making a style lyric like out of nowhere. That's just me. But yeah, with my hair, I'm like still learning. It's still a learning process, and I actually like learning. It's so therapeutic for me to get up under my hair, and it's so flat, like so flat. I'm just like, but yeah. Thank you guys for. Did I give a good review? Yes. Oh, where I got the hair from? This hair is actually from my vendor, Grace. I don't know her company name because honestly I've been shopping with her since I was like in the 9th grade. But if you do want to order some hair, DM me on any social media platform and I can hook you up. We could get you some hair. Okay. We could get you some hair. Or if you want my vendor information, DM me and I could give you my vendor number. Just that simple. So thank you guys for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and click that post notification so you know when your girl dropping more videos, because like I told you, I am dropping a new video every week. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video.